channel. It's so nice to see you guys again. Today I'm going to be doing a styling of my short hair. I did a wash day routine previously, so y'all go check that out, but we're going to get right into the video. Okay, so first I start off, I like to do, lately I've been feeling a part. So I like to first do my part on either which side, but I think I'm gonna do it on this side this time. Last time I did it on this side and it didn't really look like I had a part, but I'm gonna try to make it defined. It's really like I have a natural part, honestly, right here. I'm just gonna trying to keep that natural part there. Trying to Don't laugh at me at how I look with my glasses, y'all. I can't see. Okay, I can't see without my glasses, but I mean, I make it work, you know? And I like to start off with the parted section first. And I just part, like, I don't know if y'all can see this, but about that much, like right there behind the ear. And then I'm gonna clip the rest. I have these. I used them when I had locks. So now I just use them when I need to part and to keep my hair from getting in the other sections. But I plan on getting some locks, guys. I'm gonna get lock extensions because I had locks, but I was dealing with some stuff and I just like chopped all my hair off. So yeah, I'm gonna do some lock extensions. I have one of my own locks. I'm gonna show y'all guys in one video because I still have it. I was actually gonna keep it, like every time I would like take my hair down from the locks, I would keep one lock and I kept it. I've always had it. That's my longest lock. It's been in like 2.5 years maybe. It's never been combed out or anything. It's my baby. But I just have some water, some pure agua, and I just put a little bit in my hand and then rub it around in the section. Cause I washed my hair, but I didn't get a chance to do the video right after I got done washing my hair. I ended up making like 2 other videos, and then yeah. But y'all should really go check out my wash day routine because it's I just showed y'all like what products I use and everything. Cantu, the leave-in conditioning cream. I'm not the biggest fan of Cantu, but I ran out of my I mean, I like Cantu, but my hair doesn't really like Cantu like that. It likes it, like it gets the job done, but I feel like it doesn't moisturize my hair like at all. It just kind of sits on top of my hair, but it doesn't actually like get in there and moisturize or anything. And I'm just putting this through the section. Trying to make sure it gets as moisturized as it can get. And I'm just gonna wipe the rest of this that I have on my hands and my hair. Okay, now I've incorporated something new to my regimen, and that is African shea butter. Yellow, chunky. I bought it like because I needed something to keep myself from being ashy. But then I remember like people use it on their hair and skin and stuff. And I'm just like, well, maybe I need to. So then I watch like YouTube videos and everything on how to use it. And I saw people like doing it whipped and like putting it as their pre-poo and stuff like that. So I was like, oh, see, my hair is already letting me finger through it, because before, no, impossible. But this is how you know that you're using the right stuff when you because I barely put any water on it, and I just used the Cantu and the African shea butter, and it's already letting me put my fingers through it. And I have tight coil hair, so it doesn't come to me easy. I'm gonna use my oil. You know, I told y'all about my oils in the other video. And I just put like a dime sized amount in my hand. I'm gonna rub it on my hands, because, you know, when you dealing with your hair, your hands, the back side of your hands touch your hair, the front side, like, so I just put it all on my hands. Okay, now we have the Eco Styler Gel, and I told y'all this is my favorite one for like wash and goes or just styling stuff like this, because the green one, it makes my hair hard. This was like, I was just trying this one day, and then I really liked it, and I was like, oh. And then I'm just gonna put a tiny bit more of my oil on my hand, just so while I'm twisting and everything, my hands can be oiled and everything. So now I'm gonna take my knockoff Denman brush, because they didn't have any real ones at my beauty supply store. So we have this knockoff. It does the exact same thing, and I just take it and I start and I work my way to the root. Can y'all see that? Ooh, ooh, girl. What you know about me? What you know about me? Girl. No, but really. Dance in the club, like across from the school. Said dance not. Don't get it confused. Had to second record strike. Love to assume. I love Cardi B, guys. Y'all would know that about me. Love Cardi B. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab another clip. We're gonna start coiling. Jesus, this takes forever. We're gonna be here for at least 2 hours. Get ready. Now for this part, I'm gonna start twisting. So I'm just gonna do some 2-strand twist.
products, guys, makes my hair so soft. So soft, shiny. Like, my twists look beautiful. And this shea butter, it has a really strong smell. But once I put it on my hair, it doesn't. Or when I use it on my skin, it doesn't. Well, it still has like a small scent. Not in my hair though, because I use the other products and everything, but on my skin it still kind of has a little scent, but it's not that bad. It's not as bad as it could be.
Okay, I'm just gonna do cream, butter, eco oil. I don't do extra. Falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Okay, guys, so I did all of this. Let me show you. Off camera. And now I'm back to finish this last row. And then I'll show y'all what it looks like when I finally get done. And I'm just gonna oil one last time. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll do a get ready with me in the morning and I'll fluff it for you guys and show you guys what it looks like afterwards. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Give me feedback, positive, negative. I always make it into constructive. So thank you so much. Have a great evening, morning, whatever it is where you are. Bye.